Hi there, gadget lovers! In this video, we'll take a look at some of the latest and greatest gadgets that you can buy online. From LED candles to ultra-compact voice recorders, we cover a range of cool gadgets that are sure to pique your interest. Lexi Lights. Lexi is one of the leading companies in the smart lighting revolution, and they're making it easier than ever for people to switch to smart lighting with their new interoperable platform. With Lexi, you can choose from a range of products, including standard bulbs and smart rechargeable tea lights and LED candles. Lexi's products are also integrated with some of the biggest names in smart lighting, including Philips Hue, LIFX, and Sylvania. And if you already own a smart lighting system from one of these brands, you can use Lexi's USB stick hub to control them all. pnüMix. The tremendous thing about the pnüMix is its portability. You can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're out hiking, camping, or just taking a walk in the park, the pnüMix is perfect for making bar-quality cocktails. The pnüMix is extremely easy to use. All you need to do is add your liquor and mixer of choice, set the dial to your desired liquor strength, and press the button. The pnüMix mixes your ingredients quickly and easily so you can get your drink right away. The pnüMix comes with a vacuum-sealed base so your cocktails will stay cold all day long. You can even take the pnüMix on your adventures and enjoy your drinks cold and protected. The pnüMix is the perfect way to have a delicious and refreshing drink wherever you go. The pnüMix is easy to use, portable, and perfect for any occasion. Travoy. Eager to take your bikepacking adventures to the next level? You invest in the Travoy. This short, sleek, and lightweight trailer is the perfect addition to your toolkit, making it easy to transport your groceries, luggage, or gear around town. With the quick hitch, easy installation, and tool-free transition, the Travoy is perfect for quickly hauling your gear around any urban area. The integrated wheel guards and extendable tow arm provide added protection and stability, while the kickstand ensures a stable platform when stationed off-bike. The tow arm grip padding and compact fold make it easy to store and transport, while the tie-down straps and Travoy storage bag add supplemental security. The light bracket and 12-inch push-button wheels make it easy to get moving, and the Travoy is also available in a variety of stylish accessories. Whether you're commuting or bikepacking, the Travoy is the perfect addition to your arsenal. Yaber Pico T1 Projector. Recently, the world has been craving lighter smartphones and projectors. The Yaber Pico T1 is the perfect device to satisfy this craving. It is only 0.52 inches thick and is one of the smallest and slimmest projectors on the market. It's perfect for use anywhere and anytime, and it comes pre-charged and ready to go. Plus, with the magnetic 360-degree tripod, you can set it up in seconds anywhere you want. And with the Smart OS, you can access all the latest features and integrations without having to learn a complicated set of commands. Yaber also offers a range of other features such as Bluetooth headphones and a USB-C screen mirroring. The device is also compatible with 2.4G and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi. Whether you're using it at home to watch your favorite movie or at the office to demonstrate your latest project, the Yaber Pico T1 is a perfect choice for anyone who wants an easy and versatile projector that they can rely on. iZYREC. The ultra-compact and portable iZYREC professional voice recorder substantially empowers your recording capabilities, allowing you to discreetly capture crystal-clear audio anytime and anywhere with enhanced noise cancellation, ultra-long battery life, and abundant memory. A must-have for recording important moments. The iZYREC comes with a long-lasting 450 mAh battery that allows you to record for up to 50 days without having to recharge. The device is also built with noise cancellation technology that improves the clarity of your recordings by eliminating background noise. And with its small and thin design, the iZYREC is perfect for taking with you wherever you go. The iZYREC is also compatible with practically any smartphone or tablet, making it easy to access your recordings no matter where you are. Additionally, the iZYREC comes with a powerful app that makes it easy to control your recordings and play them back later. Amazon Glow. Families can stay connected and learning even when they're apart with Amazon Glow. This innovative system projects a huge 19-inch touchscreen onto any surface, letting kids be kids with hands-on activities while adults join in the fun through an interactive video call. With thousands of books, games, and art activities, plus new content added all the time, there's never a dull moment. And because privacy is important, you can instantly disable cameras and microphones on the device with a simple flip of a shutter. Whether you're reading an animated storybook together, playing a game of chess, or creating art side by side, Amazon Glow brings loved ones together in new and exciting ways. Otari. The Otari Studio offers an amazing immersive experience that combines world-class instructors and realistic AI-enabled form feedback. This gives you an amazing workout that is tailor-made just for you. There are many different classes to choose from, and the Otari Studio has an ultra-wide HD screen so that you can get real-time feedback on your form. The Otari Yoga Mat is also included, and it has high-fidelity speakers so that you can listen to your music while you work out. The Otari Studio also has intelligent form analysis technology that is led by world-class instructors and gives you feedback on your form so that you can improve it. Finally, the Otari Studio has a smart camera arm that is uniquely offset at the ideal angle to capture the most accurate assessment of your form, and the Otari app allows you to track your progress and monitor your workout metrics. 2Hold. 2Hold was created with your comfort in mind. With extra space between the console and your legs, you'll never have to worry about being cramped or uncomfortable again. 2Hold also features a minimalistic design that will complement any interior. You can easily swap out 1Hold for 2Hold without having to remove the containers or glass, making it perfect for breakfast in bed, family evenings, or working from home. The surface of the wood is treated with a special oil that makes it pleasant to the touch and easy to clean stains from. Despite its thinness and lightness, 2Holds remains very strong thanks to its construction. Comfortable positioning of your hands on the 2Hold surface relieves stress while adding an extra layer of protection for your laptop. With 2 move-out hangers included, you can grab snacks or drinks without ever having to leave your spot on the couch. Minbei Pixel Artboard. Minbei Pixel Artboard is an ultra-portable electronic artboard that goes with you in a pocket or bag and fits in the palm of your hand. It is specifically designed to quickly create a sketch using the capacitive touchscreen combined with shortcut buttons and a multicolor palette. With Minbei, you can sketch anytime, anywhere. This innovative electric device training tool also includes an onboard library of 100 paintings from which to copy, practice, or gain idea inspiration, all without needing prior skills in painting. The intuitive design allows left and right hands to cooperate efficiently for creative pixel art endeavors. And don't forget about its battery life. It can draw continuously for about 8 hours on one charge thanks to adjustable settings for screen brightness and time off, as well as optimizing system performance through Bluetooth app updates. Whether you're just starting out or want more variety when practicing your pixels at home, try Minbei today. Manmower 2.0. The new Manmower Mini Moto is the perfect tool for any grooming need. Its sprung mechanism boosts trimming speed, making it more comfortable and convenient to use than any other grooming tool on the market. The mowers are also completely unique in that they require no water, product, or electricity and have 0 disposable parts. This makes them not only sustainable, but also eliminates the need for extra tools or products. They are precision engineered and manufactured in the UK, so you know you're getting a high-quality product when you buy a Manmower Mini Moto.